Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Cars Mania, and also welcome to our in-depth review of the 2025 Lincoln Navigator, Lincoln's flagship luxury SUV. In this video, we'll explore its exterior design, interior features, performance capabilities, and pricing to help you understand what this vehicle has to offer. Before watching the video, kindly like and subscribe channel by hitting the bell icon. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Navigator showcases a bold and commanding presence. The front fascia features a redesigned grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights that provide excellent illumination and a modern look. The sculpted lines along the body contribute to an aerodynamic profile, while the available 24-inch wheels add a touch of sophistication and enhance the SUV's stance on the road. Moving inside, the Navigator offers a sanctuary of luxury and comfort. The cabin is adorned with high-quality materials, including leather upholstery and genuine wood accents. The spacious interior accommodates up to 8 passengers across 3 rows, ensuring ample legroom and headroom for all occupants. Front seats are equipped with heating, ventilation, and massage functions to enhance comfort during long drives. The second row seats now also offer an available massaging feature, and the third row comes standard with heated seats, ensuring all passengers experience premium comfort. The centerpiece of the interior is the new 48-inch panoramic display that stretches across the dashboard. This expansive screen integrates the digital instrument cluster, infotainment system, and a dedicated passenger display, providing intuitive access to vehicle controls, navigation, and entertainment options. The Navigator also features a Revel Ultima 3D audio system with 28 speakers strategically placed throughout the cabin, delivering an immersive listening experience. Under the hood, the 2025 Navigator is powered by a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, producing 440 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque. This robust engine is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive acceleration. The Navigator's towing capacity is impressive, capable of hauling up to 8,700 pounds, making it suitable for towing boats, trailers, or recreational vehicles. In terms of technology, the Navigator comes equipped with Lincoln's Blue Cruise hands-free driving system, allowing for hands-free operation on pre-qualified sections of divided highways. This system enhances driver convenience and safety by utilizing advanced cameras and radar sensors to monitor road conditions and traffic. Regarding pricing, the 2025 Lincoln Navigator starts at $101,990 for the base model. Upgrading to higher trims or adding optional packages can increase the price, with fully equipped models reaching higher price points. In conclusion, the 2025 Lincoln Navigator combines bold exterior styling, a luxurious and technologically advanced interior, powerful performance, and modern safety features. It stands as a strong contender in the full-size luxury SUV market, offering a compelling option for those seeking comfort, capability, and sophistication in their vehicle. Thank you for watching our detailed review of the 2025 Lincoln Navigator. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe to our channel for more automotive reviews and updates.